Hello everyone, I am R.UDHAYA. Today we are going to see about Agile testing practices and principles. Agile testing. Agile testing is a type of software testing that follows the principle of Agile software development. It is an iterative development methodology and the requirements evolve through collaborating between the customer and self-organizing team. An Agile team works as a single team towards a common objective of achieving quality. Agile testing has shorter time frames that are known as iterations. Principle of Agile testing. The different principles involved in Agile testing include testing is continuous. Agile team performs testing continuously because it is the only way to ensure continuous progress of the product. Continuous feedback. Agile testing provides feedback on an ongoing basis so that your product can meet the business needs. Test performed by the team. In software development lifecycle, only the test team is responsible for testing. But in Agile testing, the developers and the business analysts also test the application. Decrease the time of feedback response. This business team is involved in each iteration in Agile testing, so continuous feedback reduces the time of feedback response. Simplified code. The defects raised by the Agile team are fixed in the same iteration. This helps in keeping the code clean and simplified. Less documentation. Agile team use a reusable checklist and the team focuses on testing instead of the incidental details. Test driven. In Agile methods, you need to perform testing at the time of implementation. But in traditional process, the testing is performed after implementation. Advantages of Agile testing. Time and money. This helps test in saving a lot of time and money. Documentation. Agile testing reduces documentation. Flexible and adaptable. It is flexible and highly adaptable to changes. Feedback. It provides a way for receiving regular feedback from the end user. Meetings. Better determination of issues through daily meetings. Agile testing methods. There are different types of Agile testing methods. They are behavior driven development (BDD), acceptance test driven development (ATDD), and exploratory testing. Behavior driven development. It improves communication among project stakeholders so that all members correctly understand each feature before the development process starts. There is continuous example based communication between developers, testers, and business analysts. Acceptance test driven development (ATTD). It focuses on involving team members with different perspectives, such as the customer, developer, and tester. The meetings are held to formulate acceptance tests, incorporating perspective of the customer, development, and testing. Exploratory testing. It emphasizes work software over the compensatory document. The individuals and the interactions are more important than the process tools. Customer collaboration hold greater value than contract negotiation. Life cycle. There are 5 different phases in Agile testing lifecycle, such as lifecycle, impact assessment, Agile testing planning, release readiness, daily scrums, test agility review. Impact assessment. In the first phase, you have to gather input from the stakeholders and users. Now this will be taken as a feedback for the next development cycle. Agile testing planning. Here the stakeholders come together to plan the schedule of the testing process, meeting frequency and deliverables. Release readiness. At this stage, you have to review the features that have been developed and check if they are ready to go live or not. Daily scrums. This phase includes the everyday morning meetings to check on the status of testing and set the goals for the day. Test agility review. The final phase involves the weekly meetings with the stakeholders to review and assess the progress against milestones. Thank you.